Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. So we just want to cover whatever that happened and what might happen this coming week. So if you are not subscribed, please smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, and don't forget that during the week, Monday to Friday, we're going to start with our live sessions here on YouTube from early, like around 10 o'clock up to maybe after the market open, maybe almost 6 or 7 hours live session. So I hope you're going to join that. So the best thing that you can do is please don't forget to make sure that your notification is on. So before we continue, let's go to the break. This video or stream is sponsored by the marketplace powered by Traders Central. Recently launched the marketplace. It's a town square for traders to make a living out of the ecosystem. Currently, Havana is accessible, a digital playground where you can play to earn tokens, which can be used for discounts on your funding plan or purchase packs to fast track your challenge. Go to the link in the description and access the marketplace. Okay, thank you. So let's go straight to the daily analysis. So what I'm going to do is we're not going to waste some time, guys. We're not going to waste some time, especially when tomorrow is still going to go live. So the best thing that you can do is, I repeat, please smash that subscribe button. And if you want to be part of the team, I already showed you that. So let's see what's really happening. We are on Bitcoin and this is 4 hours time frame. If you still remember, yes, you can easily see that yes, the market was doing what? Before, the market was pushing to the lower side. Guess what? That actually now is changing, because we start to see that the market is changing that trend. Now the market is trying to do what? To push the upside. But the momentum is still very, very low. Because this bearish move was like seriously aggressive. So what we can say is, yes, we're still waiting for the market to break this area before it pushes to the upside. And I think it might still create similar moves. It might create this type of moves before pushing to the upside. The market might come back and try to consolidate above that area. And now we can even see that we have this nice line there, and you can see we have like 1, 2, 3 touches on that line, and it seems like indeed now the market is starting to do what? To push the upside. So I know maybe you are not really aware of this type of a trend line, but it's been here for some time. So for more information, I hope you will be in the team. You can join the team to enjoy all this type of information. So let's push to the next one. As actually this is just a quick update, a weekly update. So what's really happening here? We can easily see that, you know what, France 40 is doing what? France 40 is pushing to the upside. Years before, the market was going down, but now things have changed. We can easily see that the market here was trying to consolidate. Now we see a breakout. So what we expect here, we're expecting the market to do something like this. Let's see. This, I hope the market will reach this area and retest around that area. So I'm going to place this there. Let me place this area. Come on. Yeah, somewhere there. So I'm expecting the market to come or to reach this area, then to bounce back, and it might bounce back, or after the market might start to do what? To break that area. But I'm expecting, if maybe let's say if we bought here, I was expecting maybe to take profit around that zone, because it's where mostly the market might reach that area before changing, before bouncing back or before breaking this area. Still we have to see some sort of consolidation around that area. So simple as that. Yes, we are still on that bullish move. We don't really have to talk about bearish move if we are still on that, unless if the market comes back and break these areas and also break our support area, then we can say yes, the market is changing that. It means now we are about to do what? We are about to go lower and lower. But we don't really see that. We see that the market is actually doing what? The market is actually trying to push to the upside. So let's push to the next one, which is gold, 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 gold. If you still remember, we had a very nice buy on Friday, but the market was just going up and down, and that was actually a retest. The market retested, and then after the market started to do what? To push to the upside. I hope maybe you did see that. On our live session, the market was actually going the market before the market was just going down on this nice downtrend. If you can able to throw this downtrend there, you can really understand that yes, the market was under pressure, the market was on that bearish move. Guess what? The market changed that aggressively. If you still remember, this type of a move happened actually on the day where the Fed interest rates released, and then the market started to push the upside. Guess what? We thought maybe the market was going to respect that area, and that did not happen. Now we see a breakout, but that breakout to us, it was clear and straightforward. I like the fact that the market gave us a very nice retest. I just zoomed in. You can see the market broke out, nice retest. Guess what? Now the market is ready to go to the moon. Simple as that. We don't really have to complicate this. So it means, yes, I did send the signal around that area, and then it went in negative, positive, and then after pushed lower. But at the end of the day, we know that the market was doing what? The market was actually retesting. So I'm expecting a very nice bullish move on this. I'm still expecting a very nice bullish move on gold. So it means we're still going to see or wait for some structures to happen before we do what? Before we get something there. We're no longer bearish. We're no longer bearish as long as the market showed us that, you know what, I just broke out. It means the market is about to do what? To push to the upside. The market is about to push the upside. So we don't really have to think twice about that. So we're no longer under this bearish. Let's remove that. It's not supposed to be there. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash it. And the channel is growing very nicely, guys. The channel is growing very nicely. It's going up. It's growing very, very, and it's, even if it's not that quick, but it's fine. It's fine. It's how it's supposed to grow. So let's push straight to oil. What's really happening on oil? Yes, we are still on that bearish move. We are still on a very, very nice bearish move. What's really happening here is you can easily see that the market is still respecting this resistance. But on Friday, that actually changed very quickly. The market just broke out of that. Do you see that? The market just broke out. Let me remove this so that you can see. The market just broke here. Around that level, it's fine. The market just broke here. But if we draw something here, you can see that we actually have a resistance. So which means we can use double resistance, because the market, you can see the market is respecting the horizontal one and this diagonal one. But on this situation here, it seems like the market actually did what? The market actually broke out on the diagonal one, and this horizontal one was still standing. The horizontal one resistance was still there. It was still there actually. So what's really happening here is, yes, that breakout, this breakout, I think there is a small music for the copyright. So the breakout happened, and at the same time we can see that actually that was a bit of a fake breakout. So which we can say it's a fake breakout because now the market is coming back or below that horizontal line. You can see that. So what's really happening here is we're gonna wait and see if maybe the market will still push a little bit lower, or if maybe the market is just going to play around that area, because we can still not sell around this area, as the market was creating this very nice move where the market was actually on a wedge. So for us to say we sell, we can say let the market push lower, because you can see the market was respecting those areas here. We can't sell around this area because the market might push up again. So our job is to do what? To say let's wait for the market to break this area. Once the market breaks that, it's where we can do what? It's where we can sell. But besides that, it means nope, There's nothing we can do. We just we just have to wait for the market to go below this area, or maybe the market might still push the upside. Maybe the market might still try to push the upside, and we feel good when the market actually, especially oil, pushing lower, because once it pushes lower, it means inflation slowly might be starting to go lower and lower. I hope you see that. I hope you understand that. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one, which is US30. What's really happening on US30? You can easily see that. Let me remove this. You can easily see that, yes, the market was actually, that was a buy pending order. The market is still actually on this very nice uptrend. So what's really happening here is the market is creating, since it's an aggressive bullish move, the market is creating this sort of a move, rejected a little bit. We had something there. Now the market is pushing to the upside again. Yes, but we should be careful about this type of moves, because the market might give us some very some crazy sell off again. The market might just turn back, turn very quickly and start to go to the lower side. So it means we supposed to be what? Extra careful. Yes, we are still on what? On that bullish momentum, but that doesn't make us not to just think like buy. Yes, we're supposed to think about buy, but at the same time, we're supposed to make sure that risk management is applied, because if these things start to sell, we might get it around this area, which if you don't really have a stop loss, or if you don't really have a better risk management, then you're going to lose more. So what do we expect? I'm still expecting the market to keep pushing a little bit higher. I'm still expecting the market to keep pushing a little bit higher. So which means around this area, let's say maybe the market will still push around, maybe to reach this area before maybe starting to consolidate. Again, the market might still push higher again. Yes, the possibility for a sell, I think, is still very strong. I think it's still very there. So I mean, still there. So we're not going to dismiss that. So the market might still sell, but currently we are on a nice bullish momentum. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one, which is NASDAQ. So what's really happening? What's really happening on NASDAQ? Yes, it's quite straightforward. Yes, the market was actually going down days before, I mean weeks ago, but now since that change, you can easily see that this is pushing the market to the upside. That is pushing the market to the upside, and you can see how many touches that we did have. The market is actually pushing up. So currently, I'm still expecting the market to do the same thing. I'm still expecting the market to shoot to the upside, and we see here. Oh, actually, on Friday we did have a buy pending order, by the way, but the market was just going down. Then when we say we can buy around this area, then the market started to push the upside. But I'm still expecting the market to do what? To push the upside and maybe create moves like that, push the upside, and we're still going to adjust our support area so that it can fit nicely with the structures that we have on the market, you see. But currently we can see that yes, the market is about to break that area. It means yes, if you have a buy pending order there, we might find the market on the upside, and from that area we can do what? We can continue saying, okay, you might still expect some sort of a structure like that before pushing to the upside. If you want to learn about all these things, there you can see contact me, WhatsApp me, Telegram me, and then you can be part of the team. So just let me know. This is Kenzo, guys, Xtrahot Forex. Bow. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Thank you very much.